Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a poll in Discord Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To make a poll on Discord using the mobile app, start by opening the app and then going to the server or chat where you want to create the poll. Here, tap on the plus icon and in this menu select Poll. You will be on this page. You can create a basic poll by typing out your question, then listing options below using emojis like numbers or symbols. For example, type something like, "Where should we go to trip?" Then below that, write option A, Thailand, option B, France, option C, Iran, and option D, Dubai. After that, you can also select the duration of poll, like for how many hours or days you want this poll to active. I'll just set it to 24 hours. And you also allow users to choose multiple answers by checking this option. I will just uncheck this. Once you have done editing your poll, simply tap on Post option at the top right and your poll will be created. Once poll posted, other users can vote by simply tapping the one they prefer. So that's basically how you can make a poll in Discord Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.